Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we'll be going over how to find the best credit card for beginners. The easiest way to find one is to check out Wallet Hub's latest top picks, which you can do by clicking the button here. Credit card offers are constantly changing, and our editors are always on the lookout for the best deals for beginners. The best beginner credit cards usually are free to use, but don't necessarily offer the best rates or rewards. So here are a few things to help get you started. The first thing to do is look for a student card if you have an active EDU email address. Students or recent grads can usually find cards without any annual fee that actually do offer some pretty solid rewards. But if you are not a student, then you have three options. The first one of these are secured credit cards. They're usually your best bet for approval because you're basically guaranteed to get one as long as you can provide a refundable security deposit of at least $200. And they're usually your best option here, so when in doubt, go with that. You might actually be able to find one without any type of annual fee. Store credit cards are another option. They're usually free to use, but they only work at the specific retailer that they're for. They still count, though, toward building credit, and a lot of them actually offer some pretty big discounts. So if you have a store that you're already spending a lot of money at, that might be a good option for you. Unsecured credit cards for limited credit, however, can be used anywhere, but they're generally the ones with the highest fees out of all of these options. And the last thing that you want to remember here is once you get your beginner credit card, always remember to pay your bill on time and stay well below your spending limit. That way you can use your beginner card to help build good credit over time. And now that you have all of the basics, you're ready to start comparing credit cards for beginners today.